In front of me is TCL OneTouch 4042S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into menu and selecting settings. Then pick Bluetooth and turn it on by clicking on it. Following that, select Part Devices, misclick. Select Add New Device and wait for available one to show up. When it does, select it and wait. Then choose OK and wait for the other device to accept your request. Then hit OK or Cancel in Allow this device to connect automatically pop-up. And as you can see, after that, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!